over to Lugia, talk to it. Yes! Then Lugia, Battlefield. Weaken it with like an ice attack, cause he's a flying. The moves Lugia knows is Hydro Pump, Aero Blast, Extraordinary, and Rain Dance. Try catching Lugia with a heavy ball because heavy balls are really good against Lugia. If you want to know where to get heavy balls, you get them from Kurt at About City. Give them some back at the farms. That would help. You can try touching it. Gonna use Heavy Ball. Because Lugia is very heavy. As they say, third time's the charm. There, that's how you catch Lugia. It works a lot on the third Pokeball. It is said to be the guardian of the seas. It is rumored to have been seen on the night of a storm. No. And now, if you take a look at Lugia's moves, somewhat vain. Pressure is its ability to go against Extraordinary, Rain Dance, Hydro Pump, and Aero Blast. And then you go over to the kimono. You've done a great job. Say hello to Persephone for us. You have not only made Lugia appear, but you also caught it. You are so wonderful. There's nothing more for us to say. Then, use like an escape rope or dig or something. And it'll take you back outside the cave. And then you can explore Willow Island.